on my knob like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run a train. Squeeze on my nuts, lick on my butt. The natural curly hair, please don't touch. First find a mate, second find a place, third find a bag to hide the whole space. Real name Rover, I said bend over. I started not, then came the odor. Smelled like mush, should've had a wash. Told her to stop and take a douche. Once she did that, I didn't want the cat, so I backed out and never came back. Suck a nigga dick or something. 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 My nigga D-Magic said he had to have it. I said just forget it, it's too crowded. No little freak in Hollywood sucks on dick, does it real good. She'll give you money, fill up your tummy. House full of kids, parents all sprung. Once had it down, backyard ground. Hit it from the back, enjoy the sound. Lay 'em undercover, always used a rubber. Till I got caught fucking with her mother. She blamed it on me, we fought in the street. She pulled out a knife, so I had to flee. Called up the boys, went to her house. Charged the whole place, threw the bitch out. Police busted in, where the niggas at? We left just in time and never came back. Rolled through the hood, waving at the freaks who sniffing on the rocks. Smoking off the gigs, made another stop. Police station, saw a few cops. Drove by and sprayed them, license tag number. A nigga said he saw. Bonus of the time, never get caught.